Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to watch Mexican Netflix in the USA. If you're in the USA and want to access Netflix content exclusive to Mexico, using a VPN is the simplest and most effective solution. Make sure to check the link in the description to create an account with NordVPN. To get started, open your web browser. Sign in to your Netflix account by clicking the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials and choose your profile. Once you've signed in, close the Netflix page for now because we'll need to set up a VPN to change our virtual location. For this video, we'll use NordVPN. It's reliable, fast, and works seamlessly with Netflix. You'll find a link in the description to create an account and download the app. After installing and setting up NordVPN, open the app. In the middle of the application, you'll see the option to choose a VPN server. Click on it and a list of available countries will appear. Scroll through the list and select Mexico. Once you've chosen the Mexico server, click the Connect button. Within a few seconds, NordVPN will connect you to the server, and your internet traffic will appear as if it's coming from Mexico. This tricks Netflix into showing you the Mexican library of content. Once the VPN is connected, reopen Netflix in your browser or app. Refresh the page and you'll notice that the library has updated to the Mexican version. You can now enjoy movies and shows exclusive to Mexico. If the connection seems slow or the page doesn't load properly, try switching to another Mexican server within NordVPN or restart the connection. NordVPN also offers excellent customer support if you encounter any issues. That's it. Make sure to check the link in the description to get started with NordVPN.